You couldn't fix it in 15 years. Punxsutawney Vacuum Cleaner Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. How did you ever come to buy a pile of junk like this?
Well, he was such a persistent salesman. You know how those vacuum cleaner salesmen are. Once they put their foot in the door, you either have to kill them or buy a vacuum cleaner to get rid of them.
Yeah,
so
well,
I bought the vacuum cleaner.
If one of them shows up around here, I will not buy the vacuum cleaner. I'll kill him. Why don't you stop peeking over my shoulder? We're going to play cards. Go get dressed. Change that thing. You look like you've been mopping the house with yourself. Come on. By the time you change, I'll have this finished.
I'll believe it when I see it.
What?
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent the Punxsutawney Vacuum Cleaner Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania.
Stop! That's enough. Come right in. Oh, thank you.
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent the Punxsutawney Vacuum Cleaner Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We make the finest vacuum cleaners this side of the United States.
Right over here.
Thank you very much.
Now, you were saying...
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent...
Go right ahead.
How do you do? My name is Fink. I represent the Punxsutawney Vacuum Cleaner Company, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We make the finest vacuum cleaners this side of the...
Yes?
How do you vacuum? I make the finest... My name is Punxsutawney.
Go right ahead.
How do you think? My name is Dude. I represent the Punxsutawney Vacuum Company of... How do you do? My name is Punxsutawney. I represent...
Make yourself comfortable. Put all this stuff down there. You...
Oh, thank you very much. Do you mind? Now, all you have to do, you take this adjustment thing out here, and...
It needed a little more vent.
It does feel freer. Thank you. Now, you'll notice that on most vacuum cleaners, when you put this together...
Your hat?
Be a little hard to get clean. How do you do? I represent the Punxsutawney Vacuum Cleaner. You'll notice when you put the two things together on most vacuum cleaners, you can't, but on this has, I've got a...
Does it squeak?
Sweet. Oh, sweet. Yeah. It squeaks very much. Just attach that wire, sir. All you do, you put it down on the rug like this, and when you turn this thing on, you will see that it will give you the cleanest sweep of any vacuum cleaner at all. There won't be a speck of dirt left on this carpet when I get through it, so help me. All you have to do, and the reason for it is, this Punxsutawney vacuum cleaner, if you notice, the Punxsutawney vacuum cleaner has a lot of
Come here. Look at that.
Oh, well, that's what I was trying to explain. It needs adjustment, you see, because the Punxsutawney vacuum cleaner, if you put your hand in there, you would see the finest motor... in Punxsutawney, and that's what gives it the most suction. All you have to do, believe me, I will show you how to use this thing. If you put this up here like this, you'll notice that you come here. Having bought the vacuum cleaner, it will clean the rug very much. I promise you that. I tell you what you do. All you have to do is a wax. You put the waxer right on the table like this, and it will clean this table slicker than a whip. Look at that. That's the finest job you ever saw. Now, all you have to do...
You scratched it.
The paint. The paint will do it. All you have to do is shake this, and you don't need the... How does it work? You turn it up...
Why are you... Wait a minute,